In this video, I will teach you how to run TikTok sales ad without a website. So if you do not have a website, but you want to run TikTok sales ad, then you need to follow this process I will show you in this video. It will be step by step, detailed and easy to understand. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Log in your TikTok Ads Manager account. Click on Ads Manager here. It will open up like this. At the left hand side here, over your mouse, you will see campaigns right here. Click on campaigns. If all these pop-up help us improve the review comes up, just close them, okay? Then at the right hand corner, you will see this create button. Click on create. It will open up like this. Select your advertising objective. For this video, we are going to be running our ad directly to TikTok DM. So you will select lead generation objective here. When you select lead generation objective, come to the right hand side here. Down below, you see this confirm button. Click on confirm. This pop-up may come up. Just click on got it and it will go off. It will open up like this. Just come to this center here. This pop-up, click on got it, it will go off. The first thing you need to do is to name your campaign. I can just call it TikTok DM, or you can use the name of the product you are selling to name your campaign. After that, scroll down. You will see this optimization preference. You will see power with smart plus recommended. Just leave it here. If it is not selected, just select it like this. Don't use this one, right? Just select this one as it is like this. Then scroll down. You will see this setup catalog campaign. Leave it off. It's just a new campaign type that TikTok introduced. Don't use that one. Then scroll down. The next thing is budget strategy. You can select ad group budget. Just leave the campaign budget. Select ad group budget. As you can see, it's selected, but if yours is unselected, select it. Then scroll down, you will see this continue button down. Click on continue. You are now at the ad group. You can see name it TikTok DM, or you use any name you want to use. You can use the name of what you're promoting. Then scroll down. The next thing you will see is optimization and bidding. For the optimization goal, you will see leads here. Click on the drop down button and select conversations. When you select conversations, scroll down, you will see this optimization locations. When you select TikTok direct messages, scroll down. The next thing is bid strategy. Click on this target cost per result. When you click on target cost per result, you will see maximum results. Click on maximum results. Scroll down, you will see advanced settings. Click on it. There's nothing to set here actually. The attribution window is already set there. The delivery type is standard, okay? So just set your budget, okay? For the purpose of this video, I'll be using 5,000 naira, right? The minimum you can use here is 1,000 naira per day. That's the minimum. After setting your daily budget here, scroll down. Under schedule, you see run ad group continuously. This is when you want to pause your ad at will. You're not setting when it will stop. That's when you use this one. But if you want to set the time that it will stop, then click on this set start and end time. Click on this, okay? Then you set when the ad will start. You can see this particular ad, I was setting it at 6:36 p.m. but I don't want it to start that time. I want it to start the next day. So I'll select, today is 17th, I'll select 18th. Then for the time, look at the time here. This is the time, okay? This is hour, this is minutes, and this is AM and PM. So I want it to start 6 a.m. the next day. So I'll select 6 here, 0 and AM here. Then down below, you will see this next button. Click on next, okay? When you click on that next, it will take you to the end date. Remember, this is the start date that we were setting. So this is the end date now that it took us to. So we need to set the end date now. So remember, it's starting on 18. So you count the number of days. That day that it is starting is day 1. Okay, the day ends by 11:59 p.m. So this is 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I want it to run for 2 weeks, 14 days. But if you want your own to run for 3 days, for 2 days, for 1 day, count the number of days and set it. I want this one to run for 2 weeks, so I'll select 31st. Then I'll set the time that it will end. I will select 11:55 p.m. So I'll select 55 p.m. here, so I can maximize my money for that day because their day ends 11:59 p.m. So I'll select PM here, and you will see down below, you see the confirm button. Click on confirm. You can see the start date here and the end date and end time. So with that, you have set your start date and end time. Then scroll down. The next thing is audience targeting. Scroll down. You will see this switch to manual targeting. Select switch to manual targeting. it will take you here. Go up. You can now use the save audience that you have set before. Okay, if you have not save any audience, then go ahead and set your audience. See demographics here. Select the age bracket you want. This is the country. You can choose the country you want, right? Then select the age bracket you want. Then set your gender. If it is unisex product, leave it at all. For languages, select English here. Depending on your language anyways, but for mine, I'll select English. Then enable this custom audience, detail targeting. You can detail it. Remember our video on targeting, okay? You can detail it or you leave it broad. Just come to device here and you select connection type Wi-Fi 3, 4, and 5G, right? Then scroll down, come to this place and save your audience, right? Then after that, save your audience. Click on this save audience button, name it maybe broad audience because I did not detail this one. You already know how to target now. So after inputting the name, click on save button here and this audience will be saved. The last thing you see here is placement. You don't need to set anything there. It is already on TikTok, including search results. So come down below, you see continue button. Click on continue. We are now at the ad level. Okay. Edit this name. Put the name that you want to use. The same name you use at the ad group and the campaign level is what you will use here. Okay. Then scroll down. You see your identity here. Click on the drop down button. Select the particular TikTok account you want to use. Any of the TikTok account that I want to use, I will just select it. Then I will go ahead to run my ad. You see how it is now. I can select my account here. This is my account. This update will pop up. Click on confirm to update it. Then this update TikTok profile will come. Just click on got it and it will go off. Okay. Then scroll down. Now at the destination, since you have already set your message template, just click on choose existing here and you will choose from the one you have set before. Just select it like this. You will see the preview. This is how it looks like. Okay. Then click on this confirm button down below to confirm it. If you want to view it, maybe they don't say properly, you can preview here. Or if you want to edit it, click on this edit button here to edit it. Okay. If you don't have at all, then you will need to create a new one. Then scroll down. This is where you add your video creative from TikTok. Click on add, then click on TikTok post and select the particular video you want to use for your ad. See how simple it is. Go through your page and select the video you want to use for your ad. For the purpose of this video, I want to use this particular one. So I'll select it here and I'll click on this confirm button down below. You can use more than one video, but depending on how much you're using for your ad before you choose more than one, because they are going to share that money among all the videos you use. Your video preview will show like this. Scroll down, you see tracking here. You don't need to do anything on tracking. TikTok will do that one for you. Then you will see this publish all button right here. Click on publish all and wait for your ad to be published. Ensure you add money to your ad account if there is no funds in your ad account before you set your ad, okay?